Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming Txadmin is installed and your 5M server is running. This is essential so the dashboard can respond. Once done, find the server IP and port, often 40,120, and ensure you have the Txadmin auth token or local admin password ready. Open a modern browser on the same machine or network and load http://IP 40,120. This gets you to the Txadmin login screen. Make sure any firewall or router rules allow that. After reaching the login page, enter your admin credentials or paste the auth token exactly as provided. Slight differences will reject access. Once authenticated, follow the setup prompts to name the server, verify any license key, and choose default options. These configure what Txadmin monitors and controls. After setup, use the left-hand menu to move between monitor, players, resources, console, and settings. Make sure to explore console for live logs and resources to start or stop scripts as needed. Finish by confirming the server shows as online in monitor and scan the console log for startup errors. This proves Txadmin is correctly linked. Then test a player connection and open the Players tab to view sessions, kick, or ban if necessary. If you cannot reach the dashboard, stop and check firewall rules, port forwarding on your router, and any reverse proxy settings. Also inspect Txadmin log files for permission or binding errors. Fixing those usually restores dashboard access quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.